Today we're going to talk about Lesson 13, Example 2. The first part of this word problem talks about how the recipe for this meat lovers pizza includes these toppings. And then it asks us what is the total amount of toppings used on one pizza. To find the total, we need to add all of these ingredients together. And we know that when we add fractions, we need a common denominator. Now, I can't write the fractions really small over there, so I'm going to write the denominator here and then just each numerator by the fraction. What is the common denominator for these? Well, 8 and 6 will both go into 24. 3 and 4, they'll go into 24. So I'm going to make each fraction over 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. So 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 8, so 1 times 8. 6 times 4, so 1 times 4. And then 8 times 3, so 1 times 3, 1 times 3. Now, to get the total, I can add up 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 4 is 18, 21, 24. So this is 24 over 24. And when the numerator and the denominator are the same, that simplifies to 1 cup. Now I'm going to take that information to fill out the table. So in this table, now I have larger orders and I need to figure out the total toppings for each order. So this one, it says the sausage is 1 cup. If up above it was 6 out of 24, how many of these do we need to get 1 full cup? Well, we know, like we just said, that 24 over 24 equals 1. So 6 times what equals 24? 6 times 4. So I have to multiply by 4 to get 24 out of 24. Let's check it with this one. For the ham, I have 3 out of 24. So 3 times 4 would be 12 out of 24. And that would simplify to 1/2. So my process is working. Now let's go back. 8 times 4 is 32 over 24. And both of those are divisible by 8. 4 over 3. And that would simplify to 1 1/3. The bacon is 4 out of 24. So 4 times 4 is 16 out of 24. And then I can simplify that to get 2/3. And the ham and the beef are the same, so this is also 1/2. Now I can add all of these together. 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 1/3 cup plus 2/3, that would be 2 cups. So 1 cup plus 2 cups is 3 cups, plus 1/2 and 1/2, that's another 1 cup. So we get 4 cups. And again, if we had our total times 4, that would equal 4. So we've checked this number by 2 methods. On order 2, I have to figure out how to get the bacon to 24 over 24. 4 times 6. So I am going to multiply each of these ingredients by 6, simplify, and then add them together. And I should, 1 times 6, get 6 cups here. So I want you to finish this column and then figure out this column and solve it as well. And that is your assignment for today, to complete this table and send me a photo of your work.